Hello everyone, Jon Hill here with EandM. I'm going to do a quick unboxing today. I just got my hands on one of the new Unified Basic panels, and I'm going to open it up and show you what we get in the box. Get all seals opened up here. And so like most Siemens panels, it comes with some of the freeware software that's actually loaded on them already. We've got a little baggie here of the clips that you can use to hook it into a panel and mount it. And there's our panel. Comes up, it's got a nice little protective cover over it for shipping. So we take that off when we put it into play. There's the ports on it. You can see there. We have a single Ethernet port, a couple of USB ports on it. And that's it. Nice little unit. If you are unfamiliar with the Unified platform within Siemens, that's their new HMI platform that's now has the Unified Basic panels. These came out in the second half of 2023. So these are going to be the future of the panels for Siemens in the Unified platform. We have the Unified Basic here. We have the Unified Comfort panels that came out a couple years ago. That are really becoming more and more useful with all the new features that are being added into Portal every year. So if you haven't started looking at these devices, I highly recommend for your next project, anything that's a new project that you're not relying on existing screens made for a standard basic, I would recommend taking a look at the Unified Basic panel and using those on your next project.